Ever feel like your kid's bedroom is a bit boring? I do too. But don't worry, fellow parents. I am Maya, and today we are adding a lot of fun to those four walls with adorable design ideas that will transform your little one space into a wonderland. Get ready for colorful surprises, cozy corners, and homework stations that are actually enjoyable. Let's create some fantastic dream rooms. Our first design idea is called Bright Hues. This concept is all about using vibrant, energetic colors to create a space that's as lively and fun as your little one. Imagine a room filled with bright yellows, radiant reds, and brilliant blues. It's like stepping into a rainbow. Next up is casual color. This design idea uses softer, more relaxed colors to create a calming atmosphere. It's perfect for kids who need a peaceful space to wind down. Think pastel pinks, light blues, and gentle greens. It's like a calm bedtime song for the eyes. Our third design idea is closed corners. This concept is all about creating cozy nooks and corners in the room. It's like having a little hideaway right in their own bedroom. Imagine a cozy reading corner or a secret fort under the bed. It's a little world of their own within their room. Double vision is a fantastic idea for shared bedrooms. It's all about creating a cohesive look while still giving each child their own personal space. Imagine two sides of a room, each reflecting the personality of the child, yet blending seamlessly into one harmonious design. It's harmony and individuality all in one room. Next, we have the toy rack. This practical design idea is a cute and efficient way to store all those toys. Also, it makes cleaning up super easy. Imagine a colorful rack filled with their favorite toys, all within easy reach. It's a fun and functional addition to any kid's bedroom. Heirloom furniture brings a touch of nostalgia and charm to any kid's bedroom. It's a wonderful way to incorporate family history into your child's space. Imagine a vintage dresser or a classic rocking chair passed down through generations. It's a piece of your family's story right in their room. And finally, we have the home workstation. This design idea creates a dedicated space for your kids to focus on their studies. It's a great way to encourage good study habits. Imagine a neat desk with all their duty materials organized, a comfortable chair, and good lighting. It's a space that says, let's get some work done. And that's it for today's video. We hope you are living with plenty of inspiration for your kids' bedroom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trailing Night for more design ideas. See you in the next video.